Let's learn how to set up the gamification in the LMS. So typically you would want to use the points, badges and leaderboard system either at the level of module or at the level of the learning plan. Gamification system is available at the learning plan and at the module level. So let's quickly see how we can set it up. So once you have clicked on the module and clicked on add new to create a new module. So while you're creating the module, you will find that after you fill out the meta information, you will see a quick link to get to the gamification part. Once you are here, okay, once you are here in the gamification configuration, then you will see three options are in front of you. One is how we can create badges, how we can create points, and how to set up the leaderboard. So let's quickly click on this plus icon to create a new one. So I can choose a badge that is already existing, or I can choose to create a new badge. So once I create a new badge, I just need to expand it. I can give the name of the badge, let's say rookie, and I want to award it. This is a badge that will be awarded on an activity on the module level. I then allot it on either completion or performance. So if I choose completion from here, which you are likely to use this option when you're trying to award badges for the first 5 people who complete a particular lesson or complete a survey. So in things like that, in which there is no performance parameter, allot on completion. Or you can also set for this badge to be allotted on performance. When you activate the performance option, you will see that you will be asked whether you want to activate it on score or you want to activate it on points. Now there is a difference between score and points. Very quickly, scores are the actual marks that one gets when they complete an assessment, where every question has been given certain maximum marks. And points are the experience points that you allot using the gamification system for different types of activities that your learners are doing. So let's say I want to allot a badge for the top scorers. So what I will do here is I will come here and I will say if the person gets greater than 90%, here I can change it from absolute to percentage, greater than 90%, then this rookie badge or should be allotted to them. And I can also select how this badge can look like by clicking here and going to the documents gallery and then choosing a badge that has previously been created or uploaded. You will get some images of badges already uploaded in the system. You are always welcome to use your own imagery. Okay, from here, once I have created this badge, I click on create. So now this badge has been created by the name of rookie. It will be awarded on performance if somebody gets greater than or equal to 90% of the total score. Okay, similarly, I can allot points also by clicking on the plus button here and expanding it, and then I can identify how many points I want to award. Let's say I want to award 100 points and I want to allot it on completion to first 20% of people who complete this, or I can allot it on performance where the score is greater than or less than. I can select that from here, a certain percentage. So let's do it for completion here. So for first 20% of people who will complete this assessment, I want to award them 100 points for being on time. So once this is done, I just need to click back on the accordion. And finally, you can activate the leaderboard for this particular assessment by activating this box from here. One other feature which is available in the gamification module is the feature of rewards. So that you can access by going to your gamification menu item and coming to rewards. So once you click on rewards, you will see all the rewards that have already been created. The way to create a reward is you give it a name and a description. You can select the quantity, or if you want to keep it unlimited, and you can set up the eligibility points. So this is basically a points based system. So if you have more than, so let's say 100 points, or let's say 1000 points, only then you get this reward. You can create or upload an image for the reward, and you can schedule by in which time window will this reward be available. And if there are certain instructions on how to redeem the reward, then those instructions can come here. So once a reward is created and the allotment is set, then it will be available for the learners to achieve those many number of points and get those rewards redeemed. And this will also show up in the learner's dashboard as the number of rewards that they have claimed. There are other two features or other two sub-menu items under gamification that you will see. One is the leaderboard. So this leaderboard, once you click here, you will see all the leaderboards that you have created or you have enabled in the process of you creating modules or learning plan. And you can then also see those leaderboards from here for the admin view. And this is of course available for the learners as well. And similarly for badges, all the badges that you have created in the past, they will all be here, and you can of course create a new badge from here. And the way you could do that is by just entering the name, image, at which level you want to set it up. You can set up for the module, you can select for which module, and you want to award it on completion or on performance, and click save here. And that's the way you can create a badge very quickly from the badges submenu under gamification menu on the left hand side.